Welcome to this classic and comfortable country home on 11.19 beautiful acres in Decatur. Top quality construction, with large rooms and flowing floor plan, this home has been carefully maintained for 30 years by the present owners. Enter through the wrought iron gateway and landscaped courtyard to the large foyer leading to the living room. West hardwood floors, electric fireplace and built-ins, and then to the kitchen and butler's pantry with all newer appliances, the formal dining room, guest bath and laundry room. Main floor primary is large and comfortable with adjoining full bath. Office/den has sliders to the screened porch. West wood-burning stove and vaulted tongue-in-groove ceiling. Upstairs there are 4 good-sized bedrooms, full bath and lots of storage. Basement is finished. West rec room, game area, small kitchen and more built-ins. Grounds are lovely with endless planiting possibilities, polebarn, greenhouse, and 2 sheds. Lots of privacy but nearby neighbors. You'll love this.